Hello, everyone, and welcome to 4J Media Live for April 29th, 2019. And today we're going to talk about how to get started with Office 365. So let's head over to Google and check this out. So we're over at our trusty web browser here. I'm using Firefox. And what we're going to do is we're going to check out what products are offered. What is Office 365? Why should we get it, and what are the benefits? Okay, so the tools you need: Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, and Yammer. It's always up to date. It's on all your devices. It's your great work in the cloud. And we're here for you. So basically that means all your stuff's backed up on a server, not at your current location. So your data's safe. And they give you 24/7, 365 support for the software. So you have kind of a lifeline if you run into a problem. So let's look at for business. So for business, you can do a couple things. An annual commitment is $825 per month, but you are locked in for 1 year. And you get all this stuff right here with the check marks. Maximum number of users, 300. The premium, the business premium, you get all this stuff here. You get SharePoint, all that stuff, Teams, PowerPoint, Access, etc. for $12.50. Office Business Essentials, Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams, $5 a month with an annual commitment. So those are kind of the guidelines for business. Now let's check out home real quick. So for home, you can buy a year subscription for $100, which isn't a bad deal, and you get 1 month free. You get Office 365 Personal for $70 a month, or $7 a month. Office Home and Student 2019 for $150 for a one-time purchase. And you get all these applications, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for $150. So based on that, obviously the best deal is to do, it depends on what your needs are, of course, but specifically here we're going to talk about the business side of it, but I just wanted to show you the other options so you could see it. So for business, what we're going to do then is I'm going to close this out now, and we're going to go into my account and I'll show you what is offered. So we're logged inside my account now, and you can kind of see some of my files and stuff. And so if you go up here, you can see Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, invoicing, bookings, Yammer, Dynamics, Flow, and Admin. So let's go to the Admin panel for a second. So if you look here, you can see this is kind of our home dashboard. And I can go to active users, and I have one, which is Josh at 4jmedia.com. And if I wanted to add another user, it's pretty easy. So I'll do John Doe, and the display name is automatic, John Doe. And we'll do John at 4J Media. Now, to set up the password, you can do an auto-generate, or you can let me create the password. And I'm just going to do kind of a crazy password thing here, just like that. And then the roles, we can do a global administrator, custom administrator, no administrative access. That's going to be this one. The product key, we can give him a business premium license. And I'll add that. It says my password's too weak. I don't know how that is, but okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. There you go. Now it's not weak anymore. So I'll hit add. I'll hit add. And I've added the user. So I'm going to send an email and close. Now I have John at 4J Media and Josh at 4J Media. So if I were to hire somebody and I need to add an account, it's real easy to do. Now let's say I fire John. Okay, so I'm going to hit delete user. I'm going to remove all licenses and reduce the monthly cost going forward. So I'm going to delete the user, confirm the changes. You have 30 days to restore the user and the data. So I'm going to confirm the changes. I've unassigned the license, and now I only have one in less than 30 seconds. So once it removes the license, you can go back and forth. You can add and delete people as needed. And it's a very useful tool because things happen. So this is the best way to deal with that. So you can add people to groups. You can edit billing. We can show all. So there's other areas you can go into. You can customize your navigation. And you can click on this little app button here. And let me click on all apps just so you can kind of see all the apps that are offered. So you got add-in, admin, bookings, calendar, compliance, Delve, Dynamic 365, Excel, Flow, Forms, invoicing, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, People, Planner, Power Apps, PowerPoint, Security, SharePoint, Staff Hub, Stream, Sway, Tasks, Teams, To-Do, Word, and Yammer, which are all in alphabetical order. So it makes it real easy to find things. And the other thing you do is you can explore all your apps. So they have all the apps here, and you can always get more as well. But so that's, in a nutshell, that's what Office 365 is and what it does. Now, if you want to learn more about this topic, I'm going to be having a course on my website, how to get started with Office 365, the complete course, which means I'm going to walk you through step by step how to sign up. I'm actually going to create a new account and go through everything and add my domain and all that stuff and show you exactly how to do everything so you can set up your entire business flawlessly. And it's going to be really fun and exciting to do. So I'm looking forward to creating that, actually. It's going to be a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching, wherever you may be, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.